friends, it's Julie Fior. Welcome back to my channel. This time I will show you how I did this hairbrush and curl my hair with a new way. I used Pin Curl set and it was the second time in my life when I used it, and I really very happy with the result, because in the first time it was not very good, but today it was happy day for my hair, and I think I will use the Pin Curls set more often, because just look at this hairstyle. I'm really in love. So keep watching to see how I did my pin curls and of course how I did this hairbrush. I'm doing curling on almost dry hair, but if you have natural heavy hair, you need to do this on the wet hair or using special cosmetics for better curling. You can fix the roll with 1 or 2 pins. If you will sleep with them, 2 pins. I'm going to be with them all day long, so I'm using 1 pin. At the back, I'm curling them in one direction. Time to see the result. I'm starting to brush my hair with brush at first. Then take teasing brush to make shape. The main goal is to hide the ends. I'm helping with my hand. Fixing hair behind my ear with hairpin. And of course hairspray, a lot of hairspray. Don't forget to like and turn on notifications to don't miss any of my videos. Bye bye!